Welcome back. Let's step off the chart and set up your account properly. It only takes a few minutes and it makes everything else nicer to use. Click your avatar up here and you get the account menu. Profile, plan and billing, settings, and sign out. I'll open profile, and from here, there's a full sidebar for everything account related. This is your profile. Here's your identity card, your avatar, your display name, your unique username, your email, and when you joined. You'll also see a score and any badges. Noroview has some light gamification for engagement. Hit edit to change your name or username. Down here is your personal referral code. Copy it to share Noroview and earn through the affiliate program. And this card shows your current plan, with quick buttons to upgrade or manage it. Let's head into settings. The settings page saves every change automatically, as there's no save button. Under general, you've got language, which switches the entire interface into your language, and your emails too, the moment you pick it. Under charts is restore last workspace, which we mentioned back in the layouts lesson. Leave it on and Noroview reopens your most recent desk every time you start. Turn it off to begin fresh. Nice and simple. Under notifications, you control how Noroview reaches you. Show pop-up notifications decides whether alerts pop up over the screen or sit quietly in your inbox. Then there's a row of email toggles, each opt-out. Announcements, billing, support, affiliate, task, paper trading, and achievement emails. Turning one off only stops the email for that topic. You still get it in-app. So if your inbox is getting busy, trim these to just the ones you care about. I'd keep billing and support on, at least. Quick look at shortcuts. I'll keep this brief. Noroview is fully keyboard-driven, and every shortcut is customizable. They're grouped into categories: general, drawing, chart, layout, panels, replay, trading, and more. To rebind anything, click its shortcut field and press the keys you want. Noroview even warns you about conflicts. You can save different presets, search for an action, and reset everything back to defaults. If you're a keyboard person, spend 5 minutes here and you'll fly around the platform. A few handy defaults: the letter I opens indicators and S opens symbol search. And the question mark key shows the full cheat sheet anytime. Security is important, so let's cover it. Changing your password in Noroview is verified by a one-time code, not your old password. You enter a new password, there's a strength meter, confirm it, then hit send code, and Noroview emails you a 6-digit code to confirm the change. When it succeeds, it signs out your other devices for safety, keeping you logged in here. Below that is active sessions, a live list of every device signed into your account with where and what it is. If you ever see something you don't recognize, or you logged in on a shared computer, hit revoke to kick that device out instantly. I won't actually change anything on this demo account, but that's exactly how you do it. Note, there's no separate two-factor app here. The email code is your verification step. Finally, plan and billing. Noroview has 4 tiers: free, basic, pro, and master, and you can toggle between monthly and annual pricing, where annual saves you a bit. The free tier already gives you real charts and the standard footprint. The paid tiers progressively unlock the Noro footprint, the smart tape, and speed meter, deeper level 2 data, and more indicators per chart. This page lays out exactly what each tier includes so you can compare. Upgrades are handled securely through Stripe, and from here, you can manage or change your subscription and see your payment history. I won't quote specific prices or limits because those can change. Always check this page. That's your account dialed in, profile, language, notifications, shortcuts, security, and your plan. Set it up once and forget it. Next lesson: staying in the loop and getting help, so announcements, support, and the object tree. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you there.